So we're gonna use this truck to drag it off the trailer. Might get dicey. Go, 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 go. Dang, all right, yeah, we got the car connected to our phones. Now we'll go ahead and see if it turns on. YouTube! What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day. It's another day in the life. The car dealer, Tesla chilling right here. We got the Chrysler, we got the Subaru, we got the Toyota. Over here at Bliss Auto Sales. Y'all come check me out. Kannapolis, North Carolina. Anyway, we got a lot going on today. It's a day in the life, and we gotta go open up the front gate. It is once again freezing cold here in North Carolina. Opened up. This Tesla has to go to a body shop. Let me show you guys this Tesla real quick. It has damage in the rear. Boom, right there. Damage on the doors. So that'll get fixed. Front bumper will get fixed. This actually will get fixed as well. And yeah, so yeah, this car will be going to the body shop hopefully today. Also, that Cadillac will be going to a body shop hopefully today as well. Every time it gets cold, you know, they start slowing down because it's tough to work on these cars in the cold. Here's this car, new headlight, and everything else will get fixed. All right, so this Tesla actually, the 12-volt battery is bad on it. That is crazy looking. Look at this, y'all. Here's the guts of a Tesla. But now, where's the battery? Oh, is that it right there? Oh my God, why did they put it all the way over here? So here's the Tesla battery over here. Okay, you know what? The Tesla battery, it's connected to these jump bolts. What if I charge these up? Would this charge the battery or not? All right, I'm gonna try to charge this up. If this doesn't work, then we'll just have to swap out the batteries. I honestly have no idea if this is gonna work, but it's worth a shot. Positive, negative, see if this works. Turn this thing on. Voltage is 2. Okay, well, that's not good. Click start. All right, so now it's charging it. Reconditioning. Hopefully this works. I'm not sure if you can use these to charge the actual battery, but it's like the actual battery has no terminals. But we'll leave this here, see if this works. We'll come back to this later in the video, see if it's charged up. It started at 2 volts. Hopefully it goes up throughout the day. All right, so quick update on this Q50. Driving it yesterday, there's this problem right here. We're gonna have to get a new tire for this car. This is not safe. This could burst at any second. We'll get a new tire for that, and then we'll go past inspection, and then we can put the stickers on it. We'll just wait for a customer to come get it. And look who decided to show up, y'all. Look who it is. Mr. Hollywood. Mr. Matrix himself. He was gone for school.
We still haven't had an exam.
But Jason's checking right now to see if it's ready for inspection. I'll show you guys real quick. There you go. So y'all see 7-1. That means it's ready for inspection. So it'll pass inspection after we get that new tire installed. So Jason's about to go do that real quick. All right, I've got a truck. It's one of my boys. He bought it off IAA. As y'all can see, got hit in the back right here. He got a new taillight, new bumper, and a new gate. He got this car for honestly a good price. He said he'll be done with it, like after it's all fixed up and everything, for $13,000, $13,500. Well, it's not bad at all for this truck. It's a Denali. So Denali sell for a lot. Honestly, if he was patient, if he waits, he can get like 19, 20. But I think he'll post it for 18. Post it for 18, so make like a quick 5. This is not bad at all for a Denali especially. All right, I've got the stickers for the Q50. Jason brought it back. Passed inspection. We'll go ahead and put them on. So literally just the 2018 sticker and the buyer's guide. So we'll put these on and it'll be ready. All right, here's the scoop. We got the Tesla. It's right here off the trailer. Got no keys, so we're gonna have to drag it off. So we're gonna use this truck to drag it off the trailer. Might get dicey. Let's see how it works. Here it is, Model 3. Dang, it got pink door handles. And we're gonna use that truck to drag it off. Here's what it's looking like though. All right, we dragging it. Yeah, you good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Dang, all right. Sheesh. I got off. Oh yeah, we got the Tesla dragged off the trailer. Boom. USAA is the seller. I always buy from insurance companies, and I always recommend you guys to buy from insurance companies as well. But here it is. We got it off the trailer. It flew off. Like, that was not a good way to do it, but we had to do what we had to do. So we do have a bunch of parts inside the trunk, actually. I got this car for a crazy good deal. But we have a lot of parts in here. So this is cool that we need. We got the headlights still. That's all good. Then we just need a rear bumper, to be honest. We'll see. We'll see. After we take everything out of this car, we'll see what we need exactly. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna give you some information on the Tesla Model 3 that we bought, how much I bought it for, how much I got it after fees, how much the transport was, everything, how much I expect to be done with it at, and then how much I'm gonna try to sell it for. Let's get to it. 2019 Tesla Model 3. As you can see right there, winning bid $5,800. That's how much I won the car for. The mileage is 103. The estimated retail value is 22,000. So estimated retail value, that means that's what the car would sell for as a clean title car. So it would sell for 22,000. Since I'm Salvage, of course, it's gonna be less than 22,000. As you can see, it says enhanced. That's because there are no keys. So when there's no keys, the car is enhanced because that means the car cannot turn on. As you guys can see, the damage is in the rear right there, and the headlight is missing, and the fender is hit just a tiny bit. We're gonna get that fixed, no problem. The rear bumper is actually good. All the parts are good. Literally just the fender has to get fixed, and that's it. No airbags deployed or anything like that. So there's the bumper that it came with. We're gonna reuse that because it's still good. So yeah, I already got a quote from the body guy. The body guy quoted me $450 to fix the rear and also to fix the fender and to buff it out a little bit, which is a pretty good price. So $450 for that. Transport was $300, $350 from Maryland to me in North Carolina, so $350. So $5,800 was the winning bid. $350 transport, $450 labor. So we'll be done at whatever price that is, and I'm gonna try to sell it for $13,000-14,000, and that's the profit I'm aiming to make, hopefully. And also for the 2014 Tesla Model S, I was the winning bidder for that car for $4,900. So $4,900 is what I won the car for. 2014 Tesla Model S, 77,000 miles. Estimated retail value is 22. Probably sell this car for like 11 to 12. $4,900 after fees, I think it was 57. And then I got transported for about 300, so we're at 6. And then I got quoted $850 by the body guy to fix everything on that car. Try to sell it for $11,000 to $12,000. So that's the profit on this one. As y'all can see, the damage is super slight, and this car runs and drives perfectly fine, no issues at all. I didn't even buy any parts for this car because everything was good. So that's it for this car. And some of you guys asked me about the Nissan 350Z. That car sold not too long ago, maybe a week ago. That car sold, gone. A good clip on that one. You don't often see 350Zs on auction, so I have to jump on it. And yeah, so back to the video. All right, y'all, Jason pulled back up with the Q50 from the car wash. Got it all cleaned. So now I'm gonna take pictures. All right, y'all, we're taking pictures of the Infiniti Q50 right now at the spot. Y'all hear that squeaking noise? That's not to get fixed. I think it's a belt or a pulley, so we'll get that fixed. All right, so we took the pictures. I'll pop them up on the screen right now. And this Tesla, I'm still trying to figure out how to connect to it with my phone. I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know if you need the actual key because it didn't come with the key, so maybe that's why. Try one more time. All right, yeah, we got the car connected to our phones. Now we'll go ahead and see if it turns on. This is the type of stuff that the lady left in the car. Happy days ahead. We updated Tesla app. Enable Bluetooth to use your phone as a key. My Bluetooth is on though, bro. Lil Dougie, sweet B-word. Okay, here, Bilal. Connect. Okay, pair.
Are you connected?
All right, YouTube, back on to the next mission. We're gonna pick up Infiniti from the body shop, and then we're gonna take 2 cars to the mechanic to get them fixed. Let's get going. All right, I got the car from the body guy. Still some finishing touches we have to do to it, like put the front emblem on. But we got it. And now we're about to go pick up Jason from the mechanic, so we'll go get him right now. All right, we made it back to the shop. We got the car from the body shop. It's a 2020 Infiniti Q50. I bought the emblem, but the emblem didn't fit. I guess it's a special type emblem I need to get for this one. I guess I got the wrong one. So when we get the emblem, it'll look complete. It needs the emblem. We need to remove all the letters, stickers, and clean the outside and clean the inside. And then it will be ready for inspection and ready for pictures. We need to do those couple things and the car will be ready. It's a 2020 with, I think, 71,000 miles. And I got this car for a pretty good price. I think I got it for like $5,000. So not bad at all. We got the Q50 Sport, 2019 Q50. And we have the other Q50 down there. It's 2021. The 2018 right there. So those are the Q50s we have for right now. Those 2 Teslas, the Chrysler, Ford, Subaru, Toyota, and the other basic economy cars. I still need to figure out this Tesla. I need to get a key for it. And once I get a key for it, then I'll be ready. This one, I'm still trying to see if the battery is charged. I don't think it's charged yet still. I don't know what's going on with this battery. It was working fine like a couple days ago, running and driving. But then, I don't know, I guess the cold weather like messed something up. We need to figure this one out actually. So hold on. So we got the key. Here it is. Still nothing. So let's unplug this, plug this. Let's get the real jump pack. We'll connect this to this and this to this. And now let's try the key. Something powering up in here. This door doesn't open, but I don't know why it doesn't work. I need to go inside. Alright, this is car off. Please wait while vehicle systems power up. Press brake pedal for 30 seconds to drive. Okay, so the car's on. See if we can move the car back and forth. Okay, so we can move now. So that's a good sign. But we need to open the charging port. Get it? See if it works. You did it? No, you gotta click the buttons. Look. It wasn't plugged in.
Where's the plug?
I took it out to plug in this one.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Alright, there you go. Should be good now. Alright, I'm going to the DMV. And honestly, I'm noticing one thing. I think I might need to get another employee. I'm not saying Jason's not good. Jason's valid. It's too much work for just 2 people. Even just me and him, it's not enough people to, run the shop efficiently. Because there's still more things I still have to go do that we cannot even get to today. So there's a lot of work going on and we might need to hire one more person. So if you're in the Charlotte, Concord area looking for work, hit me up, message me. I'll put my number up here. Boom. Message me, let me know. Maybe we can work together. All right, I just got here. About to go inside, get the paperwork, keep it pushing. All right, the license plates are secured. I got the paperwork for the customers. I need to ship all these out to customers. But before we do that, I'm gonna go pray also, and I'll ship these out. I'm gonna take this Q50 home so I can be ready for inspection tomorrow. We got a pretty good lineup right now. We got the 2020, 2021, 2018 Sport, and 2019, that's that white one. So we got a pretty good lineup right now. I think I'm gonna take this 2021 back to the auction. There's something wrong with the alignment or something. Sometimes with the cars, I don't even wanna deal with them no more. So this car, I might just take it back to auction, let someone else deal with it. I don't feel like dealing with it. But that's a wrap for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.